yourself. A merry little Christmas night.
Yeah, okay, maybe we'll check out Kanya how you go out, man.
So I'm just back from church and I have my measurement book with me here. So my days are just boring. I don't know if you guys enjoy watching my life like that. If I'm not consistent enough, I'll try and be consistent and just vlog whether it's boring or not, right? Let me know in the comments. You guys, I just finished cutting the other one. The first one, I mean, was it. Let me show you. I've already tied it down. So this is the next one. Just tired. Let's drop this over here. Go ahead and cut this. This is what is going on behind the scene. So this is where my phone is going to be. This selfie stick that I bought, I just feel like I wasted my money. Hi guys, welcome back to cutting another clothes. You guys, don't be like me and go and disturbing yourself. This cooking don't know my head now. There's only ones I ate. Only once. Now it's already affecting me. And I'm about to be like, the way my skin is just shining. I want to cut now. You see that it's just so insane that I'm doing. That's why I'm not able to vlog or post anything on YouTube. So please, you guys should understand. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. After all of this, don't worry. Guys, so I just ended my live stream. For those that joined, you guys, really appreciate it. I don't know how long I was planning on staying for an hour, but I don't have like enough days to like stay for that long. And at the same time, I'm busy. Cuts right now, so I'm going to cut it back. I know you guys don't care about all of that, so let me just go. Updates, guys, I'm done. But it's just remaining one outfit that I'm not able to cut. That's because I really don't understand the style. Apart from the styling again, I went and buy the wrong color or material. So I don't know what to do about that one. That will be the last outfit I'm going to sew. Because however, like I've said this before now. So guys, you just pray for me and make sure you patronize me, okay? Whatever way you can, even though you don't patronize me, just refer me. Tell your friends, your family, friends, family, friends that I sew, okay? Just let them know. I'm the baddest fashion designer you ever had. I'm watching movie. What's the name of the movie? The Lord of the Rings. Yeah,